Happy holidays guys. So holiday season started. So generally during holidays friends and family comes together and exchange gifts, and generally they have a big feast. So for big feast we are having a holiday special recipes, that is easy chicken roast. Welcome to sinkintomycreation.com and let's get started. So let's see what all ingredients are there to make our holiday chicken roast. I have one whole chicken. I have washed it in salt and vinegar water and pat dry and kept it aside. Here is the ingredients for marination. I have some butter, freshly squeezed orange juice from 2 oranges, orange zest approximately from 2 oranges, lemon zest from approximately 1 lemon, juice of a lime, few chopped garlic, grated ginger and rosemary, salt, freshly ground pepper, cayenne pepper and chili flakes, olive oil, some whole vegetables like different colorful carrot, onion, few clove garlics, rosemary and whole orange cut into half pieces. Let's start with the marination. We have 5 tablespoons butter. We'll add rosemary. So take out the fresh rosemary leaves. If you don't have rosemary, then go for the dry leaves. Chopped ginger, chopped garlic, orange juice, lime juice, lime zest, orange zest, salt approximately 1.5 teaspoon, cayenne pepper, freshly ground pepper, chili flakes. Mix well. So our marination is almost ready. Make sure all aromas of these fruits, oranges, lime, garlic should get infused with the chicken, and that will give a nice kick to your taste bud. Let's get started. So see some tricks to give some marination with the whole chicken. We'll take this fruit juice and all these ingredients, infused butter, put inside this pocket. Same way we'll put inside this pocket and slowly we'll rub from the top to distribute it evenly inside the skin. Now from the top, same marination goes. Don't forget to rub it properly. Put some marination inside too and rub well with your hands. So now the marination is over. Beautiful aroma from this orange, rosemary, carrot, garlic and onion will get infused with the chicken and it will taste more yummy. Let's see. Orange goes in, onion goes in, carrot goes in, garlic goes in, rosemary goes in. So here is some grilling tray. So now the fun part is you can put whatever is your favorite vegetable. You can place and make some veggie bed. So we'll place some whole carrot. These all are baby carrot. Some potato, onion, rosemary and dash of olive oil. Add salt to taste. And last but not the least, freshly ground pepper. Just rub the salt and oil and pepper properly so that it gets roasted nicely. These vegetables you can use as roasted vegetable or you can pan fry after coming out from the oven. So we'll place one grilling rack on the top of a tray and we'll place our marinated chicken on top of this. Don't forget to sprinkle some salt and pepper from the top for more taste. So let's put inside 1.5 hour 450 Fahrenheit preheated oven. So people say that secret is in the sauce. So now time to make our secret sauce. So for our sauce we have some bell pepper, tomato and garlic. So we'll roast this vegetable inside and we'll grind with salt and pepper and olive oil. Our dip will be ready to serve with the chicken. We'll take out the seed from the inside. So see the tricks of cutting this bell pepper? Yes. Look how neat and beautifully came out all the seed from the inside. So you got the whole bell pepper bowl. And we have some garlic cloves here, and we'll put one tomato. For that you need to make some cuts on the tomato, and we'll drizzle some olive oil, and we'll sprinkle some salt from the top. And some pepper. We'll bake inside the oven 450 Fahrenheit preheated oven for 10 minutes and we'll take it out. We got our roasted bell pepper and tomato and garlic. After roasting, I took it out and I cool it down. Now I am going to blend it. We'll put inside the grinder and we'll blend it to a smooth paste. Got nice smooth paste, and now we'll add our all ingredients from the top. So this is the nice roasted bell pepper, garlic and tomato paste. We'll add some salt, pepper, dash of olive oil and vinegar. Mix well, you are all set. Guys, so chicken is out of the oven after roasting 450 Fahrenheit preheated oven for 1 hour. Guys, look, we took out all roasted vegetables and how nicely coated with garlic and olive oil and rosemary flavor, and you got the roasted chicken as well as roasted vegetable. So now time is to take out all these ingredients from the inside. Take 1 spoon and scoop out all the vegetable from inside. And now time to turn the chicken around and take out all the water out from the inside. So happy holidays guys, cheer with your friends and family with this beautiful holiday special roasted chicken recipe. And try all these ingredients like romesco sauce and our roasted chicken and vegetable infused with our orange juice and rosemary, garlic and many more flavorful ingredients. Happy holidays and stay safe, have fun. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/sinkintomycreations for many more exciting recipes. And don't forget to subscribe to my blog www.sinkingtomycreations.com for many more round the globe recipes.